It's time for another 1 minute story review, and today we're going to be looking at Sojourn by R.A. Salvatore. The third in the prequel trilogy of Legend of Drizzt, this is probably the most controversial. Starting with the good, Sojourn sets up the world outside of the Underdark quite well. We quickly see the challenges Drizzt has to face when it comes to both discrimination and how bright it is outside. It takes quite some time for his vision to get used to it. We also finally see him get trained in his true D&D class of Ranger. If I remember correctly, his mentor is blind, and that's why he doesn't care that he's a drow. And if I'm wrong on that, it's because I read this when I was like 12. So it gives us some good setup and introduction to the Forgotten Realms world, which I did need as a kid because I didn't know anything about D&D back then. Other than that, though, and a few emotional moments here and there, there's really not that much going on in this one. I can't lie, especially if you already know about the world of D&D, then this Sojourn can be quite a slog. It pretty much just acts as a necessary bridge between Exile and Crystal Shard, but really not that much interesting happens between the two. We do get to meet Bruenor Battlehammer at the end of the book, but I really wish we had more of him. I feel like that would have done it some justice. Overall, it's not a terrible read, and it's not long, it's just not as necessary as the other books. I wouldn't personally skip it, but that might just be because the backstory trilogy was, the pillar of my fantasy reading when I was a kid. But let's say you pick this one up and you can't bring yourself to read anymore and it's just not doing it for you, then you can safely skip to the Crystal Shard. There's nothing necessary that you'll find in Sojourn.